Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the error message that many users face while importing PSD file in Premiere Pro. The error message that appears is the importer report a generic error. It is a frustrating issue that can slow down your workflow. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it. The first thing you need to do is open up the Photoshop and click on the new. Then choose the size of your image from the either video or the default Photoshop size. Bring all the image or the vector inside the new PSD file. And also transform the image to fit we have created. Once that's done, save your file as a new PSD file. Now that you have saved your file, it's time to try import it into a Premiere Pro. And there you have it. By following this step, you should be able to successfully import your PSD file into the Premiere Pro without any issues. I hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.